Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to enable download scanning in LibreWolf to improve your security while browsing. LibreWolf is a privacy-focused web browser that disables many tracking and security features by default, including download scanning. However, you can enable it manually. To enable download scanning, first open the LibreWolf browser. Click on the three-dot menu on the right, then select Settings. Scroll down to the LibreWolf section. Here you will find the option to enable Scan Downloads. Simply toggle it on. Once you've enabled the setting, LibreWolf will automatically scan your downloads for potential threats. That's it. Now your LibreWolf browser will scan downloads for security threats. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.